With your gloves.
Magda-dumpster dive ka tapos nakalimutan level 1.
How are we gonna get in there though?
I don't know. I think it's open.
Or dive. Dive in. I don't think we should go this way.
Oh.
Oh, heck no.
Dito yun.
Dito na lang ate.
Girl.
Here, we're up there. How are we gonna get up there?
Ayun na yung highway, guys.
Oh my god, people are gonna see it.
Dito.
Yan yun.
Eh, bakit nakaganyan?
There's nothing in there.
Eh, saan? Ano, Best Buy tayo? That's Target. Oh.
Oh, wala. Dito na.
Ayun nga kasi, oh, yan yun.
Yung naka-ano.
Storage products nga lang yan eh.
Eh, ayan, tama, yan.
Oh my god, oh my.
Ay, may camera.
Saan?
Ayan, no. Ano ba kalaki? Yung black na yun.
Ay, ito dinala na natin yung ano nasa resibo.
Nang?
Nung isasoli natin.
I don't know.
Nandiyan